How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. Super excited. I'm out here in Oshkosh fishing the Fox River. As you guys know, this is one of my favorite rivers to fish for catfish. You guys see in my recent video, we took the bike all the way to the legendary 41 bridge, caught a bunch of panfish. We used that as bait. We caught some nice channels. So the goal here is to catch some, do the same thing, use some worm, catch some panfish, catch some channel, and hopefully we land a big monster flathead, right? I'm still after that flathead, but hey, I'll take anything for the late summer bite. Super fun. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for the win. Let's go and make this challenge happen. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys. We're already on the water, but peace. Alright, everyone. Today I got myself situated here. I did anchor down, so hopefully we find some panfish along the rocks here. It was really windy on that side, so I came over here instead, and oh, hopefully it's good. I don't know how it's gonna go. But we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna see if there's any panfish around here first, but I gotta get rigged up. So all right, we got the rocket bobber. That's what we need. We need some small hooks. Got one left. We have Jake has two, but I'm gonna do this sinkers size 3. I guess I'll put 2 because the wind is kind of strong today. First, you want to tie off your hook first. All right, small hook, size 6, I believe. No, it's 8 or 10, one of those, but it doesn't matter. Something small. And I have all day today, so I'm in no rush, guys. It's around 9 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna put this super close to the bottom right here. The water's kind of stained. It doesn't really bother them, but I'm gonna put it closer. Why? It's because I really want the bait to get down there fast. What happens is that if it flutters too long, those little ones are gonna get to it, and I don't want that. And today we are using the Googan worm. I've never seen these before. It's my first time seeing it, so that's pretty cool. And put the whole thing on there, okay? Want some nice big cut baits. So maybe a bullhead will be great, rock bass, whatever. All right, and here we go. Oops, sorry guys, it's kind of windy, so I'm gonna try to face this way and watch my bobber drift. Man, this wind is, where did this wind come from? This is 5 to 10 miles per hour wind. This is like 15 to 20 almost. It's crazy. It's a nice day, it's just windy. Really windy. I'm gonna stand up here. Otherwise you guys can see that bobber over there. Oh, it's down. Nice. Oh no, it popped off. No, I saw it go down. Oh man, I was not paying attention. Oh, it's down. It's down. Oh no, it was down. It was down. What? It was down, guys. What? Got him. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Got the gill, guys. We got one. Got one nice gill. Let's go. Yeah, that's perfect cupping, and you inhaled it. Jeez. And I forget my pliers. Oh my gosh, it's all the way in there. Oh, he's cupped anyway, so. Oh, it's going. Yeah. Perfect size. That's right. Cookie cutters, that's what we call it. Oh, I got him. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Oh, it's a nice bluegill. Oh, let's go. And he inhaled it too. Sheesh, it's all in your gill, buddy. Oh, you wrapped it around your face, and it's in your, there you go, it's in. Oh, he swallowed it. He's a goner. Ah! Now if you guys are wondering why I'm fishing so close to shore, right, it is because, like, I love distance, but it's so windy that when I cast over here, my bowl is drifting with the wind. Like, the wind just catches my bowl and it drifts the bobber. It doesn't give the bluegill a chance to like eat the bait at all. That's why I'm kind of close up now. It's only like 3-4 feet of water, but still, you know, like, I didn't want that. It was just too windy. It was loud out there. It's just way too windy. So now I'm hugging you guys right next to my chest here, so the wind doesn't catch it as much. And yeah, that's just how it is, you know. Trust me, I feel stupid. Like, I got a boat and I'm fishing right next to the shore. Like, what the heck? I will be out there too, but it's just way too windy for you guys. Yeah, whoa, that thing's huge. Oh, what the heck? It actually worked. Nice. You made a good pan fry, actually. All right, relax, 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 relax. Nice, dude. Okay, it actually works. I don't need you, bobber. Oh, nice. Dang. You came out of nowhere. No wonder. I'm like, why did my line stop dropping? Sheesh. Doing hell that thing. Good eats, alright. So I got quite a little ways if I get my limits. So I'm gonna keep them. Got him. There we go. Woo! He inhales it too. Sheesh. Nice. These are perfect. Jeez, I was gonna start the camera and I got a fish on already. Oh, and it pops off. No. Anyway, so what I'm doing here today is I'm fishing for panfish on bobber, chartreuse, jighead. Apparently, they like the whole twitching action. They want you to actually twitch the bait like away from them, and they'll go and grab it. See, I got a fish on right here already. Oh, and let's go. Yeah, it's very simple. A rocket bobber is like the best way to fish windy condition like this for panfish. You can use it for everything else too, but for me, oh, and I got, oh, and it pops off. No. So what I'm using here today is a these Googan worm, right? I've never used this before. It's Googan Live. You guys see it right there. It's basically a worm with like some chartreuse. Apparently, I have no idea what it is, but let me see if I can grab one here that's super green. And I used the big red stuff the other day. It seems to work, but this green stuff right here seems to be the ticket, guys. Like, it's just non-stop. Like, every single drop I put in there, they're just snatching it away from me. Let's see if it focuses for you guys. There we go. So that's what it is right there. That is the Googan worm with like some chartreuse green shiny stuff there. That when you puncture it, it kind of like squirts out into the water or whatever, and the visibility of the worm's like really good. I use regular worm, sure it works here and there, but this guy, it's going crazy. Like right now my bobber is freaking dancing like crazy, and they're just snatching it out of my hand. Yeah, so we're gonna keep fishing. Hopefully we catch more panfish. I need more. I got about 10 in the well right now. So hopefully we get like 5 more. That way I can use the head and the body piece and have enough for some catfish, because sometimes they like to like steal the bait and just run off with it. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We're gonna keep fishing and hope for the best. Stay tuned. Oh, I got one. Nice. What I got? Yeah, a nice gill. Okay. Dang, he inhaled it too. You're a keeper for sure. I'm not gonna survive this one. It's all up in your gill. And it's been like that for the past like hour. Just bluegills just inhaling the hook. They're not even second guessing the bait. They're just inhaling it. Oh, we got another one. That's a nice fish. Oh, it's a big gill. Big gill. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Just inhaling the bait. What the heck? They love this chartreuse worm, right? Sheesh. Yeah, a good bait right there. Quite the few. Yeah. Whoa, that's a big one. Nice. good eater right here too, but we're gonna let it go. I don't want any today. See ya. Oh, there we go. Yep, he's back to back. Oh, geez, he's pulling really hard. There we go. That's a nice one. It's a better fish. Jeez, it's a way better fish. Oh, jeez, it's on real hard. Jeez. Relax, relax. It's not done yet. Okay, you're starting to pick up. Nice. Oh, let's go. Yeah. Got him. Yeah, guys. That's a beautiful fish right there. Good channels. So pretty and so strong too. It's so cool. Alright, catch and release. It's off. Boom! 2 for 2, baby. Oh, got a hit. Big fish. Whoa! It's a nice fish. What is this? Okay. Are you coming out? What is it? Oh my gosh. That's a nice fish. Ending it with the banger, eh? So we got maybe a drum. Let's say a drum. Say it's a drum. I say it's a drum. Oh my god, I haven't got the net open. What is this? I think it is a drum. Yep. Big drum. Big drum. Sheesh, that's so cool. Wow. Finally. Oh, nice. That's a nice drum. Oh, I think we got a fish. Is that fish? Is that fish? Oh, that is a fish. Nice. That's a big fish. Sorry, can't pick up right now. That's a big fish. What is this? Battery's almost dead. Oh, it's a nice channel. Nice. It's a nice channel. Jeez. What the heck? I gotta get this drum out. Jeez. That's a nice channel, guys. What the heck? I got 2 fish all at once. It's a really nice channel. Wow, that's a nice channel. Nice, okay. Good fish, good fish. I'm gonna put him right here. Give him some slack. I don't think he'll be able to break my rod, right? Just let him hang there for a little bit. There you go. Alright guys, anyways, drum for you guys. Oh jeez, I just threw away my boat. What the heck? Gosh, I need the nets. Pretty good. Alright, let's see how we're gonna do this. I'm glad I got these rod holders. I could just bring them in while the rod is bending. That is a nice channel right there. There you go. And we're in, boys. We're in. Yeah. Sheesh. Now we got our life together. That's so cool, guys. Back to back. Caught that nice drum. And then now this guy. That nice channel going back. Alright, let's do it again. Oh, there he is, there he is. Myself in the head. It's so fun because you're fishing in like deep water, you know, 15 feet of water. Look at that, they're so pretty. Clean, muscular fish. Great eats, but not for me today. See ya. Alright guys, so I think I'm calling it quits. It's about 5 o'clock now. I gotta head back home with some errands. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I had a great time. It was definitely rough out here. The wind is picking up. It actually never stopped. So catching a couple catfish and those panfish over there it was fun to me. I had a great time. Hopefully we do this again. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, hit that thumbs up, and let's do this again. See you guys soon.